Hey guys, my name is Lou, I'm 16 and I'm trying to build real AI app from scratch. So today I'm going to introduce you to myself and what I built. So first, who am I? So I'm a 16 years old French builder. I'm trying to build web apps because I think it's really fun. I don't really know how to code, so I mostly use AI to code. So let's take a look at what I built. So you can go on scriptlane.app. So I started coding about 6 months ago, and I think it's just so fun. I'm having a great time. So what is this app? So it's a web app for script editor. So no, I'm sorry, for a content creator. So you can generate scripts. So here is a landing page. So feel free to check it out at any time because no one actually tested it, I think, apart from me, so that's not great. So here you can log in. So obviously I'm already connected with my account, and you get on this dashboard with some cool metrics, quick actions, whatever. Don't really care about that actually, but what I wanted to show you is a little bit how the app work. And yeah, so let me present you this for about 3 minutes. So first, you can generate an AI script. So you have two modes. So you can see you have a quick mode and an advanced mode. Sorry, my English is not great actually, but it's okay. So the quick mode is not that great, not particularly useful actually, because you don't really have that many settings. But let me let me introduce you to the advanced mode. So here you can see you can choose the platform. So you have 5 platforms for now, which are TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, and just a general platform. So if you don't want to specify. So then you can choose the duration. So it goes from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. So for today, I'll show you how to generate 1-minute scripts. So I chose a random topic. That's not really the sake of the video, but so for example, 5 tips to be more productive. So then you can personalize the audience. So you have different tone. So professional, casual, energetic, humorous, inspirational, educational, promotional. So for today, let's choose professional, and the audience, let's choose young students. About so let's choose about 24 years old, and let's choose expertise level. Let's choose intermediate. So then we can go in hook and engagement. So you have two options. So you can let the AI generate an optimized hook, or you can define your own hook from those 8 here. So for today we'll let the AI choose. Then you can select the style and creativity. So you can adjust style. So let's say about 65% creativity and 75% impact. So this is basically like how impactful the video will be. Then we can choose to include emojis and include hashtags. So whatever, we just include those. So we'll click on generate. This will take about, I don't know, like about 30 seconds. In general, it's very long, and I don't really know how to optimize this workflow, but we'll wait. So let me talk a little bit more about the app and what I want to do. So yeah, as you see, it's called scriptlane.app. So please feel free to check it out and give me a feedback. I'll answer every comment, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube here. So what I want to do, the script is generated, but what I want to do is finish this app. So it's quite over, but I want to try to put it in a real world, because right now no one tested it, and I think it's quite unfortunate. So here we have the script, so feel free to check it out. I won't read it here. Let me look well quick. Okay, so we can see it's okay. Then we have this viral score here. So this is a score on the 100 mark, and it will show you how efficient the script is. So we can click reanalyze, but here it doesn't really matter. But the suggestions are actually how to make the script feel better. Then you have the hashtags, so pretty cool hashtags all the time with a small advice on when to post. Then you have the time codes, not that useful, but you know, it's let's click on generate. It will take about like 15 seconds, I don't know. And here we have this cool feature that I implemented very recently. So it's basically like a custom chatbot made for the app. So we can ask it to make it. So we have a few options here. So we can translate to French because I'm French. So I added this button. We can improve CTA. So let's click on this and let's wait a few seconds to see what it does. So here we can see we have all the time codes. It's not that useful. It was more useful before. Alright, so here we can see we have a script. I think there is a small problem because it was generated in French, which is not what we wanted. So let's try to improve CTA. Please keep the script in English. So we will send this. Okay, so we will wait for 10 more seconds. And while we wait, let me talk to you a little bit about the app a little bit more. So okay, so here we see what was proposed. So okay, so it improves the CTA, so we can see, try one of the steps this week and let me know in the comment how it goes. You've got this, and we can just apply the modification. So the UI is pretty cool. I think I quite like it. And here you have the history of what you made. So if you want, you can just go back in time. Then you have this A/B testing feature, so you can generate variants. This is a very interesting feature. It allows you to compare different variants of the scripts. So right now it's generating, and it's actually based directly onto the viral analysis. So it will include like different points that the viral analysis was saying. Okay, so here you have the original script, and here you have the variant B, variant A and B, with different improvements made. You can just use this variant. So let's click use. It was applied, and generating new hashtags. Here you have this section which is just info, so basically like basic things about the script. Then you have this section which is called my script. So here you have the history of all the scripts you have generated. So for example, we can click on the script, and we have a few information. We can then export the script, which is pretty cool. So you can export it as a complete PDF or just a simple PDF format with just the text. So let's try. Okay, so we can open the script. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then you can also export it as a complete PDF. So okay, let's see. So here you have the viral analysis score and some kind of suggestions, like more stuff. Then you can export it as a text, CSV, and a teleprompter. This is pretty interesting. So you have a page here, which is a teleprompter page. So you can actually just play the script, and you can also have a few settings. So we can make more space between the lines and make the text bigger because it is easier to read. And you can also have this very cool mirror effect. Basically it's pretty niche, but if you're using it on a mirror, you can actually read it in the normal way. So then that's about it for this page. And then you have this template page. So it's a pretty good page with about 67 templates. That's not crazy much, but still fairly good for the first version of the app. And if you have any suggestion about like new templates, I could include it at any time. So that's about it. Here you have this setting page. So you can change the mode to light mode. It looks pretty good to me. And you have two languages, which are French and English. Finally, that's about it. You can also give feedback here. So please, if you try the app, please go here and give a feedback, please. And that's about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to listen to every feedback you give. Also, I'm documenting my journey on TikTok and Instagram if you want to follow and just help me as a young builder. I'm not trying to get like money or anything, but like it's kind of a passion. I just enjoy it really much. Okay, so I think that's about it. So yes, if you have any suggestion about like what content you want me to see, you want me to make, sorry, or what you think would be some good ideas to integrate into the app very, very soon. And also it's completely free for the next 100 users. So as long as there is not 100 users registered, the app will stay free. So for now it's completely free, so I'm not making any money. I'm actually losing a bit of money, but whatever. And that's it. See you.